Let's learn how to extract assets from an image to use in our web projects. We're going to use a free tool called Photopea. I'm just going to drag the image onto the app. I'm going to hit zoom icon a couple of times so it's nice and large. I'm coming up to the move tool on top so that I could bring my image closer into the view. I'm going to hit this selection tool, which is just beneath the move tool. And then when we get the crosshairs, you draw out the area that you would like to capture. There we have it. Now I'm going to copy. I'm using my keyboard shortcuts, Control-C, or you can come up to Edit, Copy. Either one works. You're coming down to the second to last icon on the bottom. You're going to add new layer. You're going to make sure that layer is selected, and you're going to use your keyboard shortcuts for paste or Control-V. Now, if we hide the main layer, we can see the layer that we just created. Next, we are going to go to File, Export Layers. We'll trim the transparent parts. So all this gray box, that's transparent. We can select our file format. I will leave it as PNG, but you can see there are different file formats available. I will leave it at 1x, and I will simply say Export Layers. That downloaded our layer. We have a zip file, and if we extract our zip file, we can see there's our image. These are our two layers. And there you have it, folks.